Sharing one aviation fact every day until I become a pilot. Day 18. Airspeed, altitude, and vertical speed. Each of these is shown through its own instruments. The airspeed indicator, the altimeter, and the vertical speed indicator. The system works using two pressure sources. One is static pressure, which is taken from a port on the side of the fuselage. The other is dynamic pressure, also called ram air, collected by the pitted tube, which faces the direction of flight and captures air directly from the relative wind. Static ports feed all three instruments, but the pitted tube only feeds the airspeed indicator. And the airspeed indicator works by comparing dynamic pressure from the pitted tube and with the static pressure from the static port. Now, let's say the pitted tube becomes blocked during flight because of ice, dirt, or insects. In that case, the airspeed indicator won't show correct readings anymore because the dynamic pressure is now trapped and frozen in place. If the pitted tube is blocked but the static port is still clear, here's what happens. During a climb, the static pressure drops as we gain altitude, but the pitted pressure stays the same. So the airspeed indicator thinks pressure difference is increasing. It shows a falsely high speed. In a descent, the opposite happens. Static pressure rises, but the pitted pressure is still stuck. So the instrument falsely shows a decreasing airspeed. In short, the airspeed indicator is now just reacting to changes in static pressure. It's no longer reflecting true airspeed based on the dynamic pressure. The altimeter and the vertical speed indicator will still work correctly, since they rely on the static source. So, anytime you suspect unreliable airspeeds, always compare it with the other instruments.